I almost ruined my kitchen tile last year when a cheap steam mop spewed scalding water all over my floor, leaving behind cloudy streaks and warped grout lines. Finding the right steam mop is surprisingly tough. Some leak, others take forever to heat up, and many leave your floors dangerously wet. To save you the headache, I tested BISSELL's top lineup to find out which ones actually sanitize without damaging your floors. Stick around to see which top-rated model completely blew the competition away and which popular pick you should probably skip. 7. BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Cleaner Mop. This machine attempts to combine two popular floor cleaning methods into one single unit by marrying rotating scrub pads with active steam delivery. On paper, it sounds like an absolute dream for anyone dealing with dried-on kitchen spills or high-traffic mud tracks. It features dual spinning microfiber pads that rotate continuously while steam is injected through the center to soften up grime. During our hands-on testing, the motorized spinning action definitely helped agitate dirt on sealed tile and laminate. The digital controls on the handle let you toggle between steam levels, and the maneuverable swivel head makes it easy to guide along baseboards. When tackling light surface dust and fresh sticky spots, the spinning pads do a decent job of buffing the floor while sanitizing. However, once we put this mop through heavier testing, several frustrating drawbacks quickly emerged. The combination of a heavy motor, water tank, and steam generator makes the unit feel remarkably top-heavy and exhausting to push around over larger rooms. Furthermore, the steam delivery is somewhat inconsistent. As the spinning pads saturate with water, they tend to leave noticeable streaks and pools of excess moisture on the floor rather than evaporating cleanly. Because the pads saturate so quickly, you end up having to stop constantly to swap out wet pads for dry ones. Otherwise, you're just smearing dirty water around. The overall build quality also feels a bit clunky compared to cleaner, more traditional steam mops. While the concept of automated spinning combined with steam is great in theory, the heavy weight and oversaturation issues keep the SpinWave SmartSteam at the bottom of our list. 6. BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop. This machine is built like a tank and designed for people who need serious steam power, both indoors and outdoors. It transforms from an upright steam mop into an extended reach steamer and a handheld detail unit. It comes packed with an impressive array of attachments, including wire bristle brushes, grout tools, and a flat scraper for heavy-duty grime. When we tested the power steamer in a garage setting and on outdoor patio tiles, its raw steam output was undeniably impressive. It blasts out high-pressure steam that easily melts through grease on grill grates and loosens caked-on dirt in workshop spaces. The long power cord provides plenty of reach, and the variable steam trigger gives you direct control over how much steam you release at any given moment. Unfortunately, what makes this machine great for heavy-duty outdoor cleaning makes it frustrating for everyday indoor floor care. The unit is exceptionally bulky and industrial, making it awkward to navigate around delicate home furniture or tight bathroom spaces. The steam output can actually be too aggressive for standard indoor seal hardwoods or luxury vinyl planking if you aren't extremely careful, raising concerns about heat damage over time. Additionally, switching between the various tools and converting the unit into handheld mode is surprisingly stiff and clunky. The hose is rigid, which causes the handheld portion to pull awkwardly against your wrist during detailed cleaning. It is simply too heavy, noisy, and specialized for routine home mopping, making it a poor choice for quick indoor cleanups unless you specifically need an industrial-grade steam tool for severe messes. 5. BISSELL SpinWave Hard Floor Powered Mop. Moving into the top 5, our experience became significantly more positive as we looked at machines that excel at their intended jobs. While this model relies on powered spinning pads and cleaning solution rather than superheated steam, it earns its place on this list because it offers one of the safest, most effective ways to scrub delicate hard floors without the risk of heat warping. during our testing on delicate sealed hardwood and luxury vinyl. The SpinWave glided across the floor almost effortlessly. The counter-rotating pads do all the physical scrubbing work for you, gently buffing away sticky residues, dried paw prints, and everyday grime. The spray trigger allows you to control precisely how much cleaning formula hits the floor, ensuring you never oversaturate sensitive surfaces. We were particularly impressed by how quiet the motor runs while still delivering a thorough clean. The kit comes with both soft touch pads for gentle daily maintenance and scrubby pads for tougher messes, both of which are durable and machine washable. It is exceptionally lightweight compared to the steam hybrids, making it a pleasure to use for quick, everyday cleanups across large main floor living areas. If you're looking for a gentle, effortless way to maintain your sealed wood or delicate plank floors without the intense heat of traditional steam, the SpinWave is a fantastic choice. It leaves floors virtually dry within minutes, completely streak-free, and requires zero physical strain to operate. It's a reliable, user-friendly mop that takes the elbow grease completely out of hard floor maintenance. Four, BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam 3-in-1 Wet-Dry Vacuum Mop. This high-tech machine is an absolute game-changer for anyone who hates sweeping before mopping. It vacuums up dry debris while simultaneously washing and sanitizing your floors. Powered by HydroSteam technology, it uses targeted steam to break down tough, sticky messes while the motorized brush roll scrubs and the vacuum suction pulls the dirty water into a separate tank. In our practical testing, the CrossWave HydroSteam handled nightmare spills with shocking ease. We tested it on a mix of spilled cereal, wet dog food, and dried syrup on a kitchen tile floor. In a single forward and backward pass, the machine vacuumed up the solid food, melted the sticky syrup with steam, and dried the floor behind it. The dual-tank system ensures that clean water and steam formula are always hitting the floor, so you never spread dirty residue around. We also loved the specialized cleaning modes, which allow you to switch between hard floor cleaning, rug refreshing, and full HydroSteam power at the press of a button. The self-cleaning cycle at the storage dock is another massive highlight. With one touch, the machine flushes out its own brush roll and internal tubing, leaving it clean and odor-free for your next session. While it carries a higher price tag and requires a bit of post-cleaning tank maintenance, the sheer time saved by combining vacuuming and steam mopping is well worth it. It is a powerful, incredibly convenient option for busy households, parents, and pet owners who deal with daily wet and dry spills on a regular basis. 3. BISSELL PowerFresh Pet Steam Mop 19404. This machine is specifically engineered to handle the unique cleaning challenges that come with having fuzzy family members. It uses natural steam to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without relying on harsh chemicals that could harm pet paws, making it a safe and eco-friendly choice for any home. During our testing, the PowerFresh Pet proved to be an absolute workhorse on high-traffic tile and linoleum. It features an integrated, flip-down, easy scrubber brush that lets you instantly tackle caked-on mud or dried messes with a simple tap of your foot. The SmartSet digital steam controls allow you to choose between low, medium, and high steam levels depending on the floor surface and the severity of the mess you are confronting. One of the standout features of this model is the inclusion of Febreze odor-eliminating scent discs. You can slide a disc directly into a special pocket inside the microfiber pad, which releases a fresh, clean fragrance into the room as the hot steam passes through. In our test home, it completely neutralized lingering pet odors while lifting stubborn paw smudges off the floor in just a few smooth passes. The lightweight design, long power cord, and springy swivel head make navigating around pet beds and dining chairs completely effortless. It heats up in a fast 30 seconds and leaves floors virtually dry almost immediately. For pet owners looking for an affordable, highly effective steam mop that sanitizes deeply and leaves the home smelling wonderful, the PowerFresh Pet 19404 is an outstanding choice. 2. BISSELL PowerFresh Slim 3-in-1 Steam Mop. This tool takes versatility to a whole new level by effortlessly converting from a traditional upright steam mop into an extended reach surface cleaner and a handheld detail steamer. It comes with an entire suite of onboard tools, including a grout tool, flat scraper, angle tool, and bristle brushes that store right on the machine. When putting the PowerFresh Slim through its paces, we were blown away by how effectively it cleans beyond just the floor. In handheld mode, we were able to blast soap scum off shower glass, sanitize kitchen counters, and lift burnt grease off stove burners in seconds. The continuous steam trigger means you don't have to hold down a button constantly, reducing hand fatigue during long cleaning sessions across multiple surfaces. As a floor mop, its slender frame and ultra-low profile head allow it to slide deep underneath couches, kitchen cabinets, and low-clearance appliances that other mops simply can't reach. The continuous, high-temperature steam breaks down grime effortlessly, and the machine-washable microfiber pads trap dirt cleanly without leaving behind watermarks or streaks on tile and sealed wood. It even includes a convenient wall mount bracket for neat storage in a utility closet, keeping all the attachments organized and ready to go. The PowerFresh Slim is an incredible investment for anyone who wants a single, lightweight device that can sanitize every inch of their home from floor to ceiling with ease and precision. 1. BISSELL PowerFresh Deluxe 1806 Steam Mop. This machine represents the perfect balance of raw steam power, user-friendly features, and safe floor care. It delivers an exceptional, streak-free deep clean on all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, marble, and laminate, eliminating 99.9% of germs using nothing more than water. During our rigorous testing, the PowerFresh Deluxe handled caked-on floor messes better than any other mop on this list. Its secret weapon is the detachable spot boost brush. With a quick step on the foot pedal, the lower base detaches to reveal a stiff bristled scrubbing brush powered by direct steam output. This allows you to scrub away sticky, dried-on food and dirty tile grout lines without ever having to get down on your hands and knees. Filling the machine is completely hassle-free thanks to the conveniently located water tank and included measuring cup. The digital smart set controls let you easily toggle between high and low steam modes, ensuring you get the exact amount of heat required for the job. It heats up in under 30 seconds, and the steam distribution across the wide microfiber pad is remarkably even, ensuring your floors dry quickly and smoothly without any cloudy residue. Like the pet model, it also supports scent discs for an added burst of freshness while you clean. The overall build quality feels sturdy yet lightweight, and the swivel head glides around obstacles with total grace. For its unmatched cleaning performance, ingenious spot boost brush, and incredible reliability, the BISSELL PowerFresh Deluxe 1806 is unequivocally the best steam mop you can buy today.